guys, welcome to UnObsessed. I'm Kirti and today I'm going to share with you guys a tip to clean off the crayon marks on your tabletops, walls or doors. This is the easiest way to clean crayons off your surfaces. It only needs two ingredients. One is the baking soda and the other is the white vinegar. All you need to do is mix these two items into a thick paste and then apply it on the surface and then just rub it in with a piece of cloth. You can either use a washcloth or any old t-shirt that you have. Recycling is best, right? So all you need to do is just put this paste onto the surface and just rub it in and then wipe it off with some wet cloth, and that's about it. Let me show you how I cleaned the surface once it got messed up big time. So let's get started. So here you see that the bottom part has been cleaned but the upper part hasn't been cleaned yet. That's the part that has more crayon marks on the table, still intact. I haven't touched it to clean it. I'm going to show you how to clean it. I'm going to use two ingredients. I'm going to use the ingredient one is baking soda. This is by Hammer baking soda. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and the second ingredient is the white vinegar. I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of roughly the white vinegar. You can mix it into a paste with your hand or directly go into it with the cloth that you're going to use to wipe it off. So two is rub in the paste onto the crayons with a little bit of pressure and rub it until you see the marks gone, and they go by pretty fast, so it's not a very difficult thing to do. I'm going to show you in time lapse how I clean the whole thing. I'm going to remove the excess baking soda mixture that's left on the table, and you can see how it's squeaky clean now. All you have to do is wipe it off with a wet cloth and then you're ready to go. Your tabletops are squeaky clean and back to how they were when you bought them. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my videos, please subscribe to UnObsessed and follow me on Instagram at UnObsessed. Until then, see you guys on another day with another video. Take care. Bye.